So last week we talked about sitting down and mapping out who your dream client is. You can't be everything to everyone because frankly, you're not donuts. So this week we're going to talk about the 3 questions you should be asking your dream clients to better serve them, because when you serve them, you're not really selling, right? All right, so as you know, I'm Shannon with Shannon Lee Strategy. I'm a digital marketing strategist and coach who teaches you how to grow your business using simple digital marketing strategies to get results and save time. I've been doing this for 20 years. I've been in the digital marketing space for a long time, 22 years, in fact, and I'd love to teach you how to make an impact in your business. So this week's topic is 3 things you want to ask your dream client. And the whole point of talking to your dream customers, your dream clients, is to figure out how you can serve your dream customers. Because once you figure that out, you have raving fans, people are buying your services, and you're not really selling. Because when you're serving, they get a taste of what it's like to work with you. So hearing from your dream client helps you develop searchable copy for your website, helps you figure out where to spend time in your marketing. And it also helps you figure out what keeps them up at night so you can solve their issues with products or services you offer. So you will want to ask basic demographic questions. This is the side of the 3 most important questions, so I'll get to in just a second. You'll want to ask basic demographic questions like age, location, favorite podcasts, gurus, blogs, how they like to get their information, like email marketing or text, where they hang out online. That one is key. Most of the time, if you are meeting with me, I can tell you if you know like the demographics, where your person is hanging out online, but it's also good to ask them because it does change. And some operational questions. I do like asking about pricing when I survey my audience. And I just did this 2 months ago. And so I do this too. And I do this, in fact, probably 2 times a year. So with all those fabulous demographic questions to guide you, there are 3 questions that you must ask. And the first one is, what's your struggle when it comes to insert product or service? So for example, if you're a real estate agent, you would say, what's your struggle when it comes to buying a house? Okay, so the struggle question. Number 2, what do you wish, insert job title or service, understood about you? For example, if you're a real estate agent and what you would ask is, what do you wish real estate agents understood about you? You'd be surprised at what people say. The last question, if I could wave a magic wand, what product or service would you buy if money was no object? Okay, so these 3 questions, I would say 99% of the people that I work with in my one-on-one coaching and my group coaching. So your next step is grab a pen and paper and develop those questions, okay? So what we're doing right now is we're doing the pre-work to the September Building Your Relationships online challenge, which is going to happen in the Simplified Tribe Facebook group, which name is going to be changing. I have yet to decide. This is going to be a 3-day challenge about how to build relationships online, because we were able to go out and meet with people and now we can't really do that anymore. And so I'm going to give you some awesome ways to connect with people through social media, through networking groups, through Facebook, through online forums to help grow your business in this lovely time of masks and pandemicking. So if you're watching this in the replay and you're not in the Simplified Tribe group, there's going to be a link below. The Facebook group offers trainings, live coaching, and weekly marketing tips like this. And to learn more about working with me, you can visit shannonleestrategy.com. I offer one-on-one digital marketing coaching to teach you simple strategies to save you time. I also have an amazing group coaching program called Simply Social and Digital. It starts twice a year. It starts in October, and I would love to have you in there. If you have any questions, you know where to get a hold of me.